In prophase, the chromatin condenses into chromosomes. The nuclear envelope breaks down and spindles form at opposite poles of the cell. Prophase is the first true stage of the mitotic process. In metaphase, the spindle fully develops and the chromosomes align at the center of the cell or along the metaphase plate. In anaphase, the paired chromosomes separate and begin moving to opposite ends of the cell. At the end of anaphase, each side of the cell contains a full set of chromosomes. In telophase, the chromosomes are sectioned into two sides and the nuclei are forming around them. The cell begins to split in two.
In prophase 1, chromosomes condense and attach to the nuclear envelope. Tetrads form. Tetrads are made of 4 chromatids. Crossing over occurs. In metaphase 1, the tetrads line up in the center of the cell. In anaphase 1, chromosomes move to the opposite ends of the cell poles, but the sister chromatids remain together. In telophase 1, the homologous chromosomes move to the poles, and then each side has a haploid number of chromosomes. Cytokinesis occurs at the same time as telophase, and 2 daughter cells are produced, each with 1/2 the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. These steps repeat in prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2, and cytokinesis without DNA replication, so each cell has 1 set of chromosomes. The final result is 4 haploid gametes that are all genetically different.
One main difference between mitosis and meiosis is that in meiosis, something called crossing over occurs, where the homologous chromosomes will swap pieces of information to ensure that every final cell product is different than the first. This is why the produced cells in meiosis are all different, whereas the produced cells in mitosis don't swap and are all genetically identical. During the M phase of cell reproduction, all cells will divide. However, only meiotic reproduction forces the cells to go through the M phase twice, resulting in 4 cells from 2 divisions. The mitotic reproduction only produces 2 cells from 1 division. The products of mitosis will be any kind of cell except sex cells, whereas the producers of meiosis are only sex cells, which are female eggs or male sperm cells. Also, in meiosis, pairs of homologous chromosomes will link together, but in mitosis the chromosomes don't link up at all. Plus, mitotic reproduction occurs in animals, plants, fungi, and humans, but meiotic reproduction will occur in all organisms.